Sometimes while solving more advanced equations, you will need to move groups of variables and numbers together. With Figure, we have a button for that. First, make sure the Edit button is off and tap the Group button. With the Group button on, simply tap the variables you want to highlight in succession to highlight the group. Or simply tap and drag over the group you want to highlight. When a group is selected, it will be highlighted in orange. You can now drag the whole sub-expression as a single unit. You can also use the Group button to numerically solve expressions like you would on a pocket calculator. To do this, simply group a numerical expression involving only numbers or functions and press the Compute button in the slide menu above. Figure will compute the sub-expression numerically, so you can keep solving the equation.